In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use payment processing options in Acuity Scheduling. It's a great way to streamline your booking process and ensure smooth transactions with your clients. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get you up and running. First, we're going to connect your payment processor. To do this, navigate to the payment settings within your Acuity Scheduling menu. Here, you have the option to integrate with either Stripe or Square, both of which are popular, secure options for handling online transactions. Bear in mind, if you're considering using PayPal, it might not be the best choice here, as vaulting, which is the storage of payment details for future use, isn't supported even if combined with another processor. Once you've connected your processor, the next essential step is enabling the card saving feature at the time of booking. This can be incredibly useful for future transactions and managing no-show fees. So within your scheduling settings, you'll find the option to collect and save card details at booking. This feature allows you to have clients provide a card that can be charged later, an excellent tool for managing payments effectively. You can also use this feature to require a deposit or prepayment at the time of booking, which can help secure their appointment slot and minimize the risk of no-shows. Remember, even when clients pay in advance, the system might temporarily submit a pre-authorization charge to validate the card, which is then automatically reversed. Now that we've set up card saving options, it's time to learn how to charge your clients at a later date. Once their card details are saved, you can conveniently use your payment processor's tools for any subsequent charges. This could include no-show fees, final payments for appointments where a deposit was initially made, or any other fees that might come up. The flexibility of charging clients later offers tremendous convenience, especially for managing schedules and payments without needing to hassle clients each time they need to pay. If you need more detailed guidance on specific processes like customizing the charge settings or step-by-step tutorials on handling payments, you can always check out the Acuity Scheduling Help Center. They provide a wealth of information to support you in mastering these features. There you have it. Setting up and managing your payments through Acuity Scheduling is a streamlined process that, once configured, can significantly enhance your client management and financial operations. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out or consult the Help Center for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!